So hey guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. So today I am going to show you how I do my nails at home without fake nails or acrylic or polygel. So now let's get started. So look at my super small size nails. Wait, let me zoom in. So today we are going to transform these nails without expensive stuff like UV light or polygel or dip powder or acrylic, or without even damaging our nails. So let's get started. So today I am going to do my nails with this dual form. Yay! Do you think it's impossible? No, it's not. Even it's more easy. And the second thing we need is this nail filer. So finally let's get started. So the first step is you have to file your nails until the shiny layer of your nails is not visible. You have to remove the shiny layer from your nails, something like this. And now you have to apply this dual form on your nails, and you have to cut your cuticles. Look at the difference between my both thumb. And now I'm going to show you how to make nail glue at home. This is really simple. All you have to do is apply clear nail paint on your nails, something like this. Then dip your brush in corn flour and apply it on your nails, something like this. And then repeat this process one more time. So this nails is really good. If you are in hurry, you can do this nails like in 30 to 40 minutes at home without glue or UV light or fake nails, and this is even without damaging your nail. So if this video is useful, just like and press the subscribe button. It's free, and suggest me some more ideas in comment box. And now apply the dual foam on your nails, something like this, and press it on your nails for some minutes, and repeat this step on remaining fingers like this. Yay, it's done. But now you have to shape your nails. So cut your nails and shape them. Quick advice, don't cut or file your nails when they are not properly stick. First stick them properly and wait for 5 minutes, and then cut or file them. And now you have to file your nails. Filing your nails from top make your nails more smoother. Guys, today I'm going to do honeybee nail art cause it's simple and beautiful, and if you are beginners, so you can do it too. If you want any other nail art for beginners without tools, so you can check out description box after this video. So first apply black nail paint on your ring and middle nail, something like this, and let it dry. Quick tip, if you want to dry your nail faster, you can dip them in cold water for 1 to 2 minutes. It will depend on the temperature of water. Or you can dip your nails in cornstarch for 1 minute, then remove the excess cornstarch. And now apply yellow nail paint on your index nail. Now I'm using this extra size golden chunky glitter on my ring finger to make it look like honeycomb. You can draw it too with nail paint. I'm placing this on my nail, something like this. Quick tip, if you want, you can use nail stamps. Look how beautiful it's looking. And now draw straight line on your middle nail and connect them, something like this. Then take dotting tool and make dot on the lower part of the line, something like this, to make it look like honey. Then draw this pattern on your index nail. I'm doing this French tip, you can skip it. Check out description box for more simple nail art. And now draw black and yellow stripes on your pinky nail, something like this. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you want more such as videos, you can comment, and if you want, you can check out my Instagram account, link in description box. Then lastly, apply clear polish on your nails to make it long lasting. Wow, beautiful, isn't it?